Hello, this is David Deshane, and I want to welcome you to the Roofing Estimator Pro web-based software program. This roofing software has been 8 months in the makings and development stages, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars developing the software so we could work through the beta testing and get this software perfect with all the scheduling and the marketing and, of course, creating these powerful contracts and sales documents to help you sell more jobs and make more money. Okay, I'm going to bring you inside the software, and I'm going to show you exactly how the software works. A couple of things I wanted to go over was the Roofing Estimator Pro will work on any of your Windows or Mac computers and any different version operating systems, because this is launched from an Amazon server. We've hosted on one of their big servers, cloud servers, which this program will be scalable for any size roofing contractor. Whether you're a small contractor, roofing contractor, mid-size, or large, where you have up 10 to 15 sales guys, Roofing Estimator Pro web-based will grow with your business. So I'm going to bring you inside and let you take a look at the software. It is powerful. It's a great professional software. Like I said, I've got tens of thousands of dollars invested right now in development stages and using some of the best software engineers and designers to really create something that is going to help you make more money and hopefully close more sales. Now, when you first get in, there's a few setup stages, setting up your company, customer information, search, all about the roofing contractor, Roofing Estimator Pro. Now, when you first get in, you set up your information for your company. All your information's in here. You can set up estimate forms, which have job text information, terms and conditions. All these are included in your contracts. It's fully editable from this dashboard, and to be able to use this to really zoom in and make any changes for your roofing business. There's a lot of tools here available, so you can really doctor up this paperwork to any way you want. Of course, you can upload your logo. It's going to put on the front of the page. And when you get into the contracts, suppliers, products, users, everything's in here in the product list. All the stuff that you need to build your successful client list, customer list, vendor list, all the setups, users. You can put all your sales guys in. You can have several, as many as you want, simply by adding a new record and creating these, your user platform and user database for all of your salespeople. Email list, so you can remarket everything through your company. Also, the products. Everything's in here with your product list. What I like about it, it's simple drag and drop. If you have any type of queries or anything, it's real simple for searching. One of the ones I like the best is like when you're searching for a customer or product information, you simple type in roofing and hit the search button and do something with contains. It's going to go find everything on roofing. So whether it's a roof supply, a roof strip, whatever it is, it's all in there. I'm going to show you when you're uploading pictures. See, all of your files become dedicated to that one customer and one user. You can upload photos to this customer. I'm just going to I put a couple of test ones in here. I'm going to show you this Billy Jones. Basically, what it does when you're creating... Actually, let me go in here. I'm going to show you how this works. When you're looking for a last name, I'll just put my last name in here because I did do a testing on mine, and hit the search bar. Anything with contains. So it's going to go find Deshane, and it's going to pull up this test site. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to show you what it is with how simple it works. You've got your estimates if you have anything going on with estimates, letters, photos. All these work in the same database. You can link everything with your QuickBooks. Like I uploaded, what did I upload? Like 7,000 customers. I think I have this under testing. Let me see. I did make one. Okay, I did. Okay, so last name testing. It's going to go ahead and find the person's name testing. And it's Dave Testing is the customer here. And I did put a couple of things in here so you can see how this works. Now, the estimates are simple. I went in, I created a simple form, which is to create the estimate form for the customer. Burnt sienna, the estimate is going to be, and it's simple drag down and drop. If you want to add an item, simply go, I'm going to add an item to Mr. Jones's list. We'll pick the one we want, which is simple. I'm going to put a new picture window in. It's going to come up with the drop-down list. any of that stuff. It looks like $1,500. We'll hit save. It's going to go ahead and upload it right to your new contract or your proposal. We've got everything in this one, which we added the new shingles, Tamco Heritage laminated shingles, ice and water shield. Anything you want to edit, say you've got a little quick edit you need to do, it's a little longer than that. We're going to go 9 feet of ice and water shield on this. It's going to go ahead and recalculate and put everything back into your program here. We'll just hit save. It goes ahead and recalculates everything. We're going to close that, and let's take a look at this again. Everything's in here. We went up to 9 feet, which recalculated up to $900 for that ice and water shield, all inclusive. We have 3 feet of that. We put the new picture window in. Say you want to put something else in. They say, well, can you put the ridge vent on also? And I know we've got a ridge vent in here, so we'll go find roofing ridge vent. Also, you can put, let's see here, we've got roofing accessories, roofing shingles. Whatever you're typing in, you can simply just go ahead and put a shingle vent 2 in. It's going to upload that for the length or quantity, 460 for that. We'll just hit save. It includes up to 40 feet. That's some of the things I've set up into this. For $460, it's just shingle vent 2. Has a total calculation. What I like also is Google Maps is included here as well. And this is a great way for any of your, like if we'll just say you're trying to get directions for your guys, right? Somebody needs to get to the job site. You just hit get directions. We're coming from, we'll say 46 Hill Street. I'll just for the sake of conversation, New York. Get directions, brings everything in. You know, it gives us all the directions and everything. So, I mean, also, Google Maps is great. We use this for all the guys to print directions. You know, you get a nice list of everything. Just hit the print and off it goes. Now, one of the other things is when you convert it to a job, you can actually bring this right over to a job, which I have brought it over. And it shows the job description and the estimate sheet. I'm just going to go ahead and print this and so you can see what it looks like. It's a great little piece of software. It creates very powerful reports. The standard and detail we call reports, but they're actually standard contracts and detail contracts. It generates them. It puts everything in. It's professionally made, has all your information inside, your company logo up top, and then we can hit page 2. It has all the terms and conditions, the sign-up sheet, also the job description. Any changes that you wanted to make, go right in here on a job description. We basically typed in here, and that goes right up in here. Like if you wanted to add some additional stuff. And once again, it's done with all these creative tools and everything. We added this brand new editor inside so you can easily edit any of your contracts, any proposals. We did put pictures in. You know, you can picture of a house. I just put one of my banners in there. You can have additional images of the job and, of course, some terms and conditions, which are all on the back of these contracts right here. Like I showed you in the editor, you can edit these any way you want. So it's not just, you know, for any company. It's basically any way you want to create your contract. You hit the print button, and off it goes, and you have it instantly. That's how quick this software works. It's powerful. Once you get an estimate, you convert them to a job. You've got the job list that's in there, and it creates all this information inside your system. So it's going to always categorize this. You're never going to have to worry about did they sell it. You know, there's letters and email marketing program. You can actually send your customer letters, anything that you need to, whether it's acceptance, job acceptance, address verification, past due. You can load it in, and of course you have all these editing tools that have a powerful email system built right into the software. There's no additional software needed, and of course the appointments. This is the best. You know, let's say we use the websites and it puts it into our system automatically. We go through and use the same information to set up appointments, whether it's adding a new record, simple click, drag, drop in the customer's name. We're going to be doing a roof estimate, and we're going to assign that to David, and the customer's name was testing. It auto-refills everything and loads it into your information. We'll call this a roofing estimate. Okay, hit save, and it puts it right in the calendar. Simple click, drag, drop, and I'm going to go show you what the calendar looks like. And again, this loads everything in automatically. It's a one-time load in. Once you bring them over, it's there. go ahead and update that system, and it puts it right back into the calendar. It's all right there. Day schedule, roofing estimate, day schedule. Click on the quick day schedule. This is great. I love this little feature. It was something we didn't have in my last course, my last program, and it was something needed because it gives you a day schedule on the left-hand side. And what I also like is the quick reviews. So whatever recently viewed, let's just say you're doing 5 estimates for the day, it's going to give you a nice snapshot of the full day. And anybody in your office on the left-hand side, this is all available for anybody that's in the system. So no matter who's working on, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. It's going to ask me, do you want to delete that appointment? I'm going to say yes. We're actually using this software today and making, we're running this with our business. It's great. My office guy, Bruce, is really cruising right through this stuff. We're booking estimates all through. Got a couple for tomorrow. It's been great. We just started this from, we were using my other software before, but this one it's linked directly to my website. And I've got some new information coming up. We're going to be offering a template website with this as well. So you guys will be able to use one of our templates and link it directly to software. Anyway, one more quick thing on this here is you're going to have access to the dashboard, which gives you a full snapshot of everything that's going on with your roofing business. You know, if you got 2 or 3 sales guys, it'll tell you what your sales performance are for each salesperson, what you're selling the most of, also a job status, incoming sales, estimates performed, and any of that stuff, any job types. It's a great software program. I definitely highly recommend Roofing Estimator Pro, web-based roofing software to anyone in any size roofing company. Stay tuned. Go ahead down and click on the link, get directly to one of our websites, and pick up Roofing Estimator Pro web-based. You're going to need this for your roofing business. We'll talk to you soon.